Hi, this is my first how-to video, so please be kind. I am going to show you how to make a graduation lei since graduation season is coming up. I made this one out of gold and black ribbon, which are the colors of my niece's school. For this one, I made it with small skinny ribbons. These ones are 3/8 of an inch. And I bought these at Michael's. They were on sale, I think for $1.19 each. And these ones are 10 yards. I think you only need about 6 yards long to make a good sized lei like this one. I'm going to make another one with a larger, wider ribbon. These ones are 5/8 of an inch. And again, I bought these at Michael's. You can buy them. They're usually $4.99, but I never pay full price at Michael's. There's always coupons that you can download and find on their app. A lot of times you get 50% off, sometimes 60, or they'll go on sale like today. Actually, it was Wednesday and Thursday. They had some doorbusters where these were 70% off and they came out to like $119. So here we go. Again, this is my first how-to, so please be nice. So I take the two colors that I want to use. I just leave them on the spool and I come down about 5 inches and I make a knot. Like so. And then I hold the two ribbons, the long end facing away from me and the short ends facing you. So then I have the two right here. Let's see if you can get a better view. And I'm gonna hold one end. I'm going to loop it and hold it with my finger right here. So I'm going to use one side of the ribbon and make a loop, just like that. Hold it with my finger. I'm going to make another loop, just like if you were going to make a knot. I'm going to hold it like this. Then I'm going to slip this loop inside of the gold loop, or should I say tan. I think this is the closest I got to gold that they had left. So I slip the black loop into the gold loop, and then I'm gonna kind of pinch it together, not too tight because I'm gonna pull the gold loop down here. I'm gonna pull that down just like that so that it would hold the black loop just like that. And then I'm going to hold on to this, make another loop on this side, bring it into the black loop, bring my index finger to hold it in place, and I'm going to pull the black ribbon down, making sure that it doesn't scrunch up the gold ribbon. Just tight enough so that it's at a 90-degree angle. And I'm going to hold it again, make another loop going through the gold loop, holding the ribbon with my index finger. Again, pulling it from the bottom. And it's kind of hard to get it started. But once you get it started, it starts to become a little bit easier. So it's just, again, holding the loop, making another loop, putting it through, holding it with your index finger, pulling the black loop down, and you'll start to see a pattern. You're gonna have to go in and kind of adjust it, pull it, adjust it, pull. You're gonna do a lot of pulling and adjusting. And I'm gonna make another loop. Putting it through. Okay, and then pulling this one down, just like that. Not too hard because you want it to be nice and loose, not all scrunched up, so it looks nice. Making another loop, pulling it through, holding it with your index finger really helps. Pulling it through. So what you're looking at, this is what I'm looking at. So it's kind of like a box, a square box. Making sure they're all at 90 degrees. And I'm gonna make the loop from underneath and then pinching it at the bottom to make the loop. Putting it through. Holding it in place. See, pulling and alternating the two colors. So I'm just about done. I'm gonna make a couple more loops and I'm gonna show you how I tie it off. So far this is what I have. It's almost the same length as the one I have made before. So I'm going to do a couple more, flip it through, and then I'm going to cut it. Take my scissors, and I'm just going to cut it maybe down here, just in case I want to tie a little bow. But I cut it at an angle so it'd be a little bit more fancier. And then the loop that I'm holding here, I'm just going to pull it through. Pulling it through, and then I'm going to tie the two together. Really close to the edge. I guess I didn't cut it off as long as I wanted to, but there you go. Then I'm going to take the other end. It's kind of, it has a natural twist to it. You can kind of just pull it a little bit, stretch it out, and it should be just fine. So I'm going to bring it up so that it's going to face all one way. Just like that. And then I'm going to tie it together like this. I'm going to double knot another Hawaiian lei. Done. And this will look really pretty on the gown because she's gonna have a black gown, so this will really stand out. And this is more for layering. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Aloha!